Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So guys, many students and professionals are asking if they can get Office 365 for free in the DeX mode of Samsung tablets. So guys, I found one way which makes it to use for free. So basically it is a web based version. So you have to open your internet and you have to open the website which is office.com, and once you open it you have to sign up for the Microsoft account. So it is totally free, so you can sign up for the account, and once you sign up it will give you all the features. So I will show you how. So guys, once you sign in with your Microsoft account, it will take you to the Microsoft Office homepage, and here you have all the apps available. So you can see over here. So it gives you the Outlook, the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, all the apps are available and you can use all of their function for free. So I will open the Microsoft Word. So you can see over here, it has all the tools that you can use for your office. Okay, if you want to write anything you can write over here, and all the tools are available. You can save it. The next thing that I want to mention here is the Office. It gives you 5 GB of storage in the cloud. It has its own cloud which is called OneDrive, so you can save all of your documents, your Excel sheet, your PowerPoint sheets there as well. So you can see over here it giving you all the tools. Okay, for example, if you want to insert any picture, a comment, header, footer, all the tools that we are used for the Word, it is providing you here. So if I go to the Microsoft Excel, I will open the Excel. So you can see over here it is also the web based Excel. So you can see all the necessary tools that we use in the Excel sheet. We can use it if you want to insert some tables, formulas, everything is available. Even if you want to draw something with your S Pen, you can use your S Pen, and you can even draw here on the Excel. You can see over here, you can write over here if you want to take some note. Okay, and all the tools are available. It gives you eraser as well if you want to erase something. The highlighter option is also available. So all the tools you can use over here. So you can see over here, and you can also put all the formulas and everything in the Excel sheet. You can also insert the tables. You can also insert the graphs, the pie charts. All the options are available over here. The next thing is the PowerPoint, which we use as a student or as a teacher. So PowerPoint is also available, which is free. All the tools you can see over here. You can insert different tables over here. You can insert the templates, which is really important. So you can see you can insert all the designs. So designs are also available over here. So all the functions are working properly in the web-based version, and the good thing is you can store it because it gives you 5 GB of storage as well. The next thing that I want to mention here, because it is giving you the 5 GB storage, you cannot put videos or songs in there. Yes, it is limiting, but most of your work you can done and you can save it. So it is also suitable for the people that want to test it out or confused whether they should go for the G Suite or Office, so they can try it out. So it is also good for them. So guys, I also try it with my Bluetooth keyboard, and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so you can see over here, so it is working perfectly fine. I also try it, I will show you, I will try it with the Excel as well, and then you can put any numbers over here. Okay, and you can see over here, and you can also insert the formulas. And the other thing that I want to mention here, whatever work you do on your Excel or PowerPoint or Word, it will automatically save. You don't have to do anything. And then if you go into the file options from here, you can see it is giving you the save as option as well. So you can save it, download a copy, download as ODS. So all the functions are available. So guys, all of your work will be automatically save in your Office homepage. So you can see over here all of these works are saved in the Office homepage, so you can directly access from here as well, and it will automatically save. You don't have to do anything. And then if you click over here, it will show you all the apps. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.